guys, today is the 26th of September 2025 and we are moving from Samarkand to Bukhara in the train called Afrasiab, which is the fast moving train, and that's on the way. And now we have got 2 days to spend in Bukhara. We had 2 days in Samarkand. It was absolutely fabulous. Now I'll show you around the train. Now that's their kitchen. That's their preparing. They've something fruit. That seems nice. And now I'll take you to our compartment. So inshallah within 10 minutes time we'll be reaching Bukhara. So that's our third destination from the trip. Now this is something interesting, a lovely fast moving train, and there are kids here. They are playing their games. Yeah, everybody's enjoying, and that's our compartment. So that's how it is. Absolutely, it's fabulous and wonderful. Now we are at the station, Bukhara station. Just disembarked from the Afrasiab Express, and that's the train we came into, and now we are proceeding towards the Bukhara station and then in the city. So that's how it is. And look at Rizzi waving her hand, and that's where everybody is going. And look at the tourists. Look at the rush of tourists up at the Bukhara station. Yep. All group tours are here. So they're all gathering. And that's the way out from the station. Up to get the taxis.